Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the good students. How are you today? I hope all of you is fine. Okay. Now, before we start study, as usually, we can pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay. Before we start to the new lesson, nah, you can look at. This is an email. Nah, before we go to the email, we can flashback. Remember the last meeting. The last meeting we already study about. Yes, that's good. Personal pronoun, subjective, inobjective, terus possessive, ya. Ama di situ ada there are the table. Sudah saya kasih tabelnya seperti ini. Maaf. Wait. Uh, Actually there is at your packet book, ada di paket book kamu ya. Nah, this subjective, objective, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun. Ya, yang sudah mengerjakan yang exercise A, B, and C, and of course D and E. Nah, thank you very much. Nanti saya periksa satu-satu ya. Saya baru beberapa yang dinilai. Nah, sekarang tadi sudah. Now let's go to the reading text. Nah, in English nggak hanya speaking, not just writing, but reading juga. Nah, sekarang kita read. Look at this. This is what is this? Yes, this is an email. Jadi before we get WhatsApp or waktu itu ada BBM, kita biasanya send an email yang jauh, yang far, kita use email. What's email? Email is electronic mail. Jadi surat elektronik. Nah, look at this. This is an email from Hana to Alia. Now, let's read together. Hello Alia, let me introduce myself. My name is Hana. I know your name from my friend Caroline. She told me that you sent her an email telling her that you would like to have more pen pals from the US. I'd like to be your pen pal. You should really cool. You sound really cool. I guess I better tell you something about myself first. I'm 16 years old and I attend Thomas Edison High School here in Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA. I have two brothers and two half sisters, and I'm the middle child. My father died a few years ago, so my mother runs the house and the family business. My father was a barista. I have lots of hobbies. I like music, mostly classical music and folk music, but I don't play an instrument. I like sport, especially tennis and basket. At school, I'm in the basketball team and I spend most of my extracurricular time playing basketball. I'm into animals very much. My sister and I have three dogs. They need lots of attention as you can imagine. My favorite subject at school are art and geography. I think I like to become a park ranger when I graduate. Perhaps work for the National Park Service. I don't like reading, but I love drawing and painting. How about you? Please drop me a line, Alia. Can't wait to hear from you. Okay. From this email, nah kita harus the first, if we want to know the email, we must know the main idea from each paragraph. Nah, look at this. Paragraph 1. Main idea of paragraph 1, Hannah introduced herself. Benar nggak? Dia, si Hana, memperkenalkan diri. I know your name from my friend Caroline. She told me bla 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 bla. Nah, iya, karena dia mau memperkenalkan diri. Detailnya kenapa dia memperkenalkan diri, tahu dari mana? Lihat di first, I know your name from my friend Caroline. Apalagi? Ada lagi nggak? Ada. She told Hana that Alia would like to have more people from the US. Karena si Hana from US berarti dia mau menjadi penpols. Apa sih penpols? Penpols itu adalah sahabat pena. Kalau dulu ada sahabat pena sebelum ada WhatsApp, before ada message ya, kita pakainya penpols, pakai email seperti itu. Kalau sekarang kan sudah pesat ya, jadi kita pakai email, we can use WhatsApp, we can use, kalau dulu itu BBM gitu. Nah, next, you can identify paragraph 2, 3, 4, and 5 and the details. Details itu apa? Details itu menerangkan dari main ID-nya. Kenapa? For example, paragraph 1, why Hana introduce herself. Kenapa main ID-nya Hana introduce herself? Kasih detailnya. Nah, because Hana knew Alia from Caroline, or and then Caroline told Hana that Alia wanted to have pimples from USA. Nah, dari details ini tahu kalau Hana introduce herself seperti itu ya. Next, paragraph 2 until paragraph 5 you can identify an email. Okay? This is for your exercise ya. Ada di on your packet book page 6 ya. Page 6. And then the second is text 2. Nah, this is a letter from Saida. You can look at. Assalamualaikum Alia, it was very interesting to read your letter about yourself and your hometown. I would like to be your pen friend. Nah, istilah lain dengan dari penpol adalah pen friend. Now, let's go to the next paragraph. I'm 16 years old, school student from Johor Bahru in Malaysia. Actually, I attend an Islamic boarding school just outside the city, but my family live in Kuala Lumpur. My elder sister is a medical doctor. My younger brother is an elementary school student. My favorite subjects are social science. I like history very much. It helps me know more how different countries existed in the past. At school, we are supposed to use English at all times. So, we have become quite fluent, although sometimes we slip back into Malay, which is our mother tongue. For hobbies, I'm really into songs and music. My favorite boy band is One Direction. My favorite Malay singer is of course Siti Nurhaliza. I also like watching movies, especially comedies, and the actor I like the best is Tom Cruise. I'm really into books. I like reading novels and short stories. I like some writers in English like J.K. Rowling and Indonesian writers too like Andrea Hirata or Ahmad Fuadi. My dream when I'm older is to be a writer of science fiction books. I really love to come to Indonesia someday, especially to the magnificent Raja Ampat in Papua. What about you? What do you want to visit? What do you want to visit my country? Wassalam, cheers, Saida. Nah, ini pempolnya yang teks tuh itu dari Saida to Alia. Nah, dia sama introduce herself. Dia kasih tahu family, terus schoolnya, and then the hobbies, and dia sukanya apa dari from the movies, from maaf saya jatuh sebentar. Okay, we continue. This is the text letter from Saida to Alia. Isinya tentang introduce Saida self ya. Start from the family, and then the social story, and her favorite subject, her favorite movies, actress, sampai ya kan I'm really into books. Lihat di sini ada I'm really into books ya. Lihat di sini I really into books. Maaf. Nah, di sini kalau ada I'm really into books itu maksudnya adalah dia sangat menyukai dia sangat suka membaca buku, maksudnya bukan saya sangat suka buku, tapi dia sangat suka membaca buku. Jadi hobi dia adalah membaca buku seperti itu. Nah, lihat the bold sentence, saya tambahin ya. The bold sentence-nya di situ ada attend, ada mother tongue, I'm really into, dan nih, nah lihat di situ. Attend di sini, I attend an Islamic school just outside. I attend maksudnya dia bersekolah ya, bukan I school at bisa. Nah, ini pengganti I school at I attend seperti itu. Nah, di sini ada mother tongue. Mother tongue itu bahasa ibu gitu. I'm really into song. I'm really into songs and music. Nah, saya sangat suka, maksudnya favorite-nya itu dia sangat suka songs and music gitu. I'm really into, sama ya, saya sangat suka buku-buku, maksudnya di sini adalah saya sangat suka membaca seperti itu. Oke. Sebentar, kita the first tadi kita belum bahas ini yang itu. Nah, yang the first di sini ada pimples, ada sounds really cool, ada runs, ada I'm into. Nah, pimples, pimples itu adalah sama tadi yang kita bilang apa, teman sahabat pena gitu. Kalau sounds really cool, kamu maksudnya enak gitu, enak diajak bicara atau orangnya asik seperti itu ya. My mother runs di sini bukan dia berlari, tapi maksudnya adalah job ya, my mother's job seperti itu. I'm into, now I'm into maksudnya likes ya, sama seperti likes seperti itu. Okay, now your exercise ya, your task, you just choose, do you want to choose from now, do you want to get the text 1 or text 2 ya. Nah, and then you can answer text 2 nih. Nah, text 2 di sini ada text 1 and text 2. You must kan after reading nih, identify the main ID of each paragraph. Jadi kamu harus identify the main ID from each paragraph. You can choose text 1. Do you want to answer text 1? Choose text 1 or text 2. Nah, kamu cukup pilih saja text 1 atau text 2. And then after you answer text 2, you can answer the comprehension question. Jadi if you choose text 1, you can identify the main idea in text 1, and then after the identify the main idea, you can go to comprehension question 1 ya. Or you choose the text 2 ya, text 2, you just answer text 2 ya. You just answer the main idea and the details in the text 2, and then you go to questions 2. Oke, jadi based on your choose ya. Kalau misalkan kamu pilihnya task 1, so you can identify the main idea in the task 1 and then you can answer comprehension question 1. If you choose task 2, you can answer the main idea. You can identify the main idea in the task 2 and then you can answer the comprehension question 2. Ini ada di halaman 8. Seperti itu. Oke. Jadi nanti kamu kalau sudah, jangan lupa kamu attach ya di Google Classroom kamu. Terima kasih ya. If you have question, you can send me WhatsApp Messenger. Kamu bisa tanya sama saya kalau misalkan masih kurang jelas seperti itu. Nah, ini you just write the answer ya. You just write the answer. Untuk yang para main ID, identify the main ID and the details, and then the comprehension questions. Nah, itu ya. Now, let's go tambahan untuk vocabulary exercise. Nah, untuk vocabulary exercise itu ini kamu the first you must know the meaning of the word in the box. Nah, after you know the meaning in the box ya, the word meaning in the box, nah you can answer the question number 1 until number 10 like that. Okay, so all of you have 3 parts ya, have 3 parts of exercise. The first you can identify, you can choose the first you choose, do you want to identify task 1? You can choose the first letter or the second letter ya. And then yang kedua, the second, you can answer the comprehension. If you choose the letter 1, you can answer comprehension question 1. If you choose letter 2, you can answer comprehension question 2. And then the last, you must answer vocabulary exercise. Ini semuanya harus bikin, nggak bisa milih. Kalau yang tadi yang letter 1 sama letter 2 bisa dipilih, kalau yang ini semuanya. Oke? Semuanya harus dikerjakan number 1 until number 10. Ini kamu tinggal tulis di answernya aja ya. You just write the answer. Jadi nggak usah tulis pertanyaannya, cukup tulis jawabannya saja. Oke, don't forget tulis write your name on your exercise book ya. Before you take a photo and attach to your GCR, please write your name above the book. Maksudnya di atasnya ya, di atasnya itu you write your name. Oke, cukup sekian. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Kalau misalnya there is a questions, you can send me WhatsApp ya, by WhatsApp. Oke, kita refleksi. Jadi yang kita pelajari hari ini adalah kita mempelajari tentang teks. Nah, bagaimana how to introduce yourself by an email, a letter. Nah, seperti itu. Oke, saya harap kamu mengerti ya. Jadi, mem kenapa tidak diartikan bahasa Inggrisnya? Nah, itu tugas kamu. Kamu harus tahu kenapa tidak saya translate semuanya, karena itu kamu nanti tugasnya, supaya nanti kamu bisa identify the main idea and the details, and then you can answer the comprehension. Seperti itu. Saya kasih garis besarnya saja. Oke, cukup sekian. Kita ucapkan alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.